one of the questions that comes up is, where do you find time to make this all work? Where do you find time to tend to your garden, make sure that it gets water, make sure it gets what the food it needs? In all honesty, this is all a learning experience. We're working through the process, but we make the time. We work as a team. We try to share the load, but it's work. It's definitely work, and it's better with family, and it's better as a team, and it's more rewarding working as a team. So today, the boys returned from their long trip out west. We're out here in the garden on the first day they're back, getting things done, enjoying the harvest together, working as a team, and bringing in the crops. Look at that.
It's huger than
That's huge.
And these right here you can get. The more green they are, the less they are ready, okay? The more purple they are, they're obviously ready, okay? So when you get them, come right here, right behind it. Baby watermelon. How do you feel about that? Ready to eat it. Pants. And 20.
Oh, it's red.
Is it red? Yay. We did it.
That's your victory right there.
How do you feel about that?
The kids are going to enjoy this. Sweet work.
There are seeds that are I say yes, Lord, yes.
Super sweet.
Yes.
It's really yellow looking, but the thing had died on it already.
That's so yummy.
And so the little curlicue died.
It's delicious. Watch out for seeds.
So your favorite thing?
Nothing goes to waste.
Dad, that's my man. Oh, Kenny. Kenny, give me a...
From day one, this wasn't for them. I wanted to show them a better way of life. That in a world of chaos and darkness, there can still be a light in the world. Make it a better place, and that they don't have to follow the world's ideal path, but rather make their own path and follow their own dreams.
Right.
Oh, that's hard to get through the middle.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. So since these are so big, then you hold it straight up and down?
Right.
Yep. And you push. Do it either way. What we're going to do in here, you're going to scoop it out as carefully as possible, and then we're we're going to take these big mature seeds and we're going to get them ready for next year. Yep. And then just set it aside on top of on the cutting board, yep. And then we'll go through there in a minute and we'll do seed saving for next year's harvest. Are you coming to join the fun? Hey, big boy. Good morning. Okay. You can go help us where? We should do individual things. What do you want? Alright, so we are setting the dehydrator at 120 degrees. Take it. I think a burst in a storm.
Look at that cloud movage, man.
Oh, and I also become a storm chaser. Here's your cone.
Hear it?
Yes. I've never seen a storm this. Look up there. It's moving.
Holy cow, you can hear like a freight train coming in.
Oh, Mom says we're gonna get hit by a tree if we stay out here.
What are your thoughts? You're all hiding in there. How are you doing? Hey! Hey! What'd you think about that, huh? Did you like it? Did you not like it? No? Okay. Very good thoughts, Opal. The umbrella's destroyed.
Build a man on fire, and he'll be warm for a day. Set a man on fire, he'll be warm the rest of his life.